Let's see the main window in administrator mode. You can find the main window selecting Main in the left menu. First you will find the Presets section. We will cover a special chapter to learn how to manage presets in your HADA devices. Below you will find the Link section. A green indication is shown when the device is connected. It will turn to red if the device is disconnected. The drop-down menu of this section allows you to change the view between different devices if needed. The name and the MAC address is shown. At the end of this section you will find the device name that can be changed. By default it will be the model name. In the next window area you will find the routing section. This drop-down lists let you select the input that you want to be processed into the DSP. By default, analog input 1 is assigned to input 1 and analog input 2 is assigned to input 2 and so on, but it can be changed. As we have seen in the previous chapter, audio chain and connections, several options are available for each DSP input. We can choose any of the analog inputs or a sum of the analog inputs, 1 and 2, or 3 and 4, or any of the internal generators. Below you have the display and control section of the inputs and outputs. You will find inputs on the left side, the white faders, and the outputs on the right side, the green faders. The link buttons are just below, to link each pair or channels, 1 and 2 or 3 and 4. Whenever you click on a link, a confirmation window will appear, as everything in the channels will be linked, levels, parametric EQ, filters, limiters, etc. To indicate both channels are linked, the button will light in blue as shown. You can change the level with a fader, or you can also type the level in dB if you prefer an exact number. Immediately below you can find the mute buttons. Whenever a signal is muted you will see that the meter turns into gray as well. The last line are the labels that can be changed to something meaningful to you. In administrator mode some drop-down lists will appear in the first row on the outputs. These are the output mode and impedance adjustments, and we will cover this in the next chapter.